How to fix FireKirin login issues. First of all, make sure your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can often prevent the app from logging in successfully. Next, check that you are entering the correct account credentials, including your username and password. Double check for any typos, uppercase letters, or extra spaces that may cause login failure. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the Forget Password option on the login screen and follow the instructions to reset it. You can contact FireKirin support if the reset doesn't work or if you encounter other account issues. Clearing the app cache can also help resolve login problems. Go to your device settings, find FireKirin in the apps list, and select Clear Cache. Restart the app afterward and try logging in again. Finally, make sure the FireKirin app is updated to the latest version, as older versions can sometimes cause compatibility issues. Now you know how to fix FireKirin login issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.